Hi friends, let's try doing some traditional cooking today. We will be using bamboo to cook pork meat, and we will be roasting it over the fire, and we will see how delicious it will be at the end of say about maybe about at least 30 minutes. We will be eating some food that is delicious and healthy. Now let's get started, but first of all we will be looking for a bamboo, a mature bamboo, and cut it down. Now let's cut the bamboos into short pieces. We select them so that we can open one side of it to allow us to fill it with our meat. Now, inside the house, let's prepare the pork and cut it into small pieces that it can fit into the bamboo. So now we can fill our bamboo with our meat. There are two choices that you can do. The other one, you can mix it with vegetables, with some pork meat, and then insert in some green vegetables. But for me today, I will be using only pork meat. So I will fill the bamboo with pork meat. Some people put salt, apply salt, but I prefer not to, because I do not want salt. Most of the time I eat my food without salt, so I'm not seasoning it with salt. But if you wish, you can put salt. After filling with the bamboo with the pork, you can now add some water. Make sure that the water is not overfilled. Just fill enough to the halfway of the bamboo mark, halfway mark, to allow it to boil. Now you can find some clean banana leaves from your neighbor garden, cut it, fold it up, and insert it into the bamboo to close it, to cover it up to prevent insects from entering the bamboo. Now you can lift the bottom of the bamboo and place a wood. That way all the excess fat and water will run off and your meat will become dry and fresh and soft to eat. After cooling off, you can crack open your bamboo from the top and split it, so you can look inside and see how fresh and tasty the pork meat are. You can enjoy it. Serve it with pumpkin, as pumpkin consists of vitamin D, and that can help to facilitate the efficient digestion of fatty foods like pork, thereby unburdening your liver. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.